Modern architecture. I love the details in a house like this, but think about the amount of exposure a house like this has with no overhangs. We got to really think critically about the waterproofing details. Let's go have a look. I want to talk to you today about a project that we're building with Burton Baldridge Architects. This is a very modern house, no overhangs, a lot of exposure, and the more exposed the house is, the more you need to pay attention to this right here. This is the weather-resistant barrier on the outside. So in this particular case, I've chosen to use Polywall's Alumaflash Plus. This is a 40 mil thick product that has an aluminum facer. That aluminum facer, of course, gives a radiant barrier benefit to the house. But the big thing I like about that is this has an entire year of UV resistance on the job site. And in fact, I've actually gone as many as 18 months before covering this, and it looks like the day I installed it. I love how bomber this product is. You'll notice at the seams we've overlapped here by about 2 or 3 inches, and then we've also, just for safety, run a detail sealant. You don't necessarily have to do that, but that's certainly a best practice. And before we applied this to the wall, we ran a primer up the wall so that when this stuck, it sticks tenaciously. We've got certainly great water holdout. We've got some ability for some nail sealing to happen. So when we add our stucco or our siding to this house, we're gonna seal through those nails with this really thick material. And with this fully applied product, we've got great air sealing. A couple details I want to show you right here. Where we've got a wall penetration, there's a couple things we could have done with this, but I really like the quick flash boots. This is a great product. And the last detail that I want to mention right here, look where our wall meets our foundation. This is the top of our concrete slab right here. We ran our framing flush with the concrete. Then we primed this concrete and ran that Polywall Alumaflash Plus over top of the concrete by 2 or 3 inches, and we've terminated that with that detail sealant. This is a great way to really air seal that leaky bottom plate connection. Thanks for joining, everybody. We'll see you next time on Reisinger Goes Rogue.